Holi is a vibrant Hindu festival celebrated primarily in India and Nepal, marking the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. In the next few minutes, I will talk about its significance and history, which are deeply rooted in Hindu culture and traditions. One of the most popular tales associated with Holi is the legend of Prahlad and Holika. Prahlad, the devotee of Lord Vishnu, was protected from fire by the divine intervention when his evil aunt Holika, who had a boon to be immune to fire, attempted to burn him. This symbolizes the victory of devotion and righteousness over evil. Holi also has the agricultural significance as it celebrates the arrival of spring and the harvest season. People rejoice in the blossoming of flowers, the abundance of crops, and the renewal of life. Holi is known as the festival of colors, where people play with colored powders and water, symbolizing unity, joy, and breaking down of social barriers. It's a time for forgiveness, reconciliation, and strengthening of community bonds. In some regions, Holi is associated with the divine love between Lord Krishna and Radha. The playful pranks and colorful celebrations during Holi are believed to be inspired by the mischievous antics of young Lord Krishna, who would playfully drench Radha and other gopis with colored waters. Holi is celebrated with enthusiasm across India and among the Indian diaspora worldwide. It is marked by music, dance, feasting, and the exchange of sweets and greetings. Bonfires are lit on the eve of Holi to symbolize the burning of evil spirits and negativity. Overall, Holi is a time of joy, renewal, and spiritual upliftment, bringing people of all backgrounds together to celebrate life and the triumph of light over darkness. Happy Holi to all of you. Till next time, stay unstoppable.